Time for new beginnings, everybody. I'm pretty stoked. Let's get started, eh? I finally cleaned this thing. Forgot how nice this paint looked. Gorgeous wrap in the back. Of course. So good. Oh, McGillRacingDivision.com. Mazda merchandise. If you guys want to pick some of that up, put it in the top right there for you. Link also in the description. Got some more news today about something else. So I started filming this like last Thursday. It's like Tuesday right now. Late upload because no Wi-Fi and my situation. This is the desk corner and there's no desk. In a nutshell, guys, I have moved out solo. First time, really exciting. Something new for me. I've got myself a little studio and I'm very fortunate to have landed this spot. I'm super stoked to kind of set this up. Right now, up in the kitchen, we whipping up a pizza. Just everything's on the floor, air mattress. Here's the other news, and this just kind of was weird that it kind of happened today. So if you guys don't know, I rent my garage, the garage that I'm in every video with, the shop. I've been renting that baby for, it's been pretty close to 2 years. It's been over a year. And today I just actually got notice from the landlord that they want me out because they want to use it for personal storage. Now I am looking for a shop after looking for a home. This place took me over a month to find. It was the only place that actually was nearly successful. To say the least, I live in a place where there's not a lot of stuff on the market available. However, this also gives me an opportunity to find something a little bit closer. And the reason why I'm telling you guys this is because, to be honest, and I've had a hard time with the whole cars and YouTube thing since I've been in that place. Where it's located, how it's located, the situation of being blocked out by the people that rent the actual house on the property. Now there's new tenants there, blah, blah, blah. So it's just kind of demotivating going there, right? I haven't been able to spend a lot of time or anything that I want to, so now I have the opportunity because I'm centralized where I live. I might be able to find another place that's even closer, which means I'll actually want to go there. I was really far away from the last place. I am closer to it now, but I'm on the hunt for a new garage. The off-road Mazda 3 is gonna get a little bit of a push here. I'm probably gonna be dailying that pretty soon. That doesn't mean no more action for the wrapped Mazda 3. The wrapped Mazda 3 is getting a bunch of parts in actually, which I'm really excited to start doing and working on. The off-road Mazda 3 though, because I have to park probably on the street around here, I'd rather have something that's, I wouldn't mind getting wrecked. So probably get a push on the Mazda 3 and everything that I want to do on that, but the wrapped Mazda 3 is still out right now, obviously. And like I said, of course, videos and stuff isn't coming. I have to order a new desk. Wi-Fi is coming to be installed tomorrow, which is Wi-Fi has been installed in your guys' time. Yeah, obviously, yeah, just you guys can tell I haven't ever lived by myself, and this is a studio, so everything's in one. It's kind of cool. Have a little bed set up here. Have the desk in this corner. I've been here for about 4 days now, 3 days, and it's taken me so long to find a desk because you have to find it just perfect measurement. We got some more Hot Wheels too. Check these out. We got an RX-7 FB. I got pins for the Hot Wheels. I got a Ford Focus RS, Cadillac ATS. Dad hooked me up with some Hot Wheels WRX STI and a custom Ford Bronco. Other than that, guys, I think that is all for today. Just wanted to update you guys of where I'm at and what's going on. Hope to get back into everything real soon. I have a bunch of stuff waiting for the car. Just gotta get going here and I just gotta move in. Thank you guys for watching today's video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to hit the subscribe button, leave a like on the video, comment down below. Other than that, guys, thank you so much once again. Keep it real. I'll see y'all in the next one.